Hey everyone, welcome to Software in 5. Today we're going to learn how to install virtual environments in Python. Why do we need virtual environments? Well, because when you're working with multiple projects, it's very easy to get everything cluttered. So it's better to have separate environment for separate workspaces. Okay, so how we do that was a command. I'm gonna put the link. It's pretty simple. You can just type virtual env as the first link that comes up. And now you need to put the name of the environment or the path. I'm gonna put it in this folder. So just to check, let me show you. There's nothing here right now. Okay, so you do python 3 -m venv and virtual env. Creating it, and it's done. All right, so now you have that virtual environment. So what do we need to do next? We need to activate it. How do we do that? We do source virtual env, the binary folder, and activate. Once you do that, you'll see there'll be a little bit of change over here. You guys see that? So this virtual env is now active. So let's try installing something. I definitely don't have fast API installed over here, so let's try doing that. pip3 install fast API. Pretty sure I'm going to do some video on it sometime in the future. So, and because we're doing fast API, I'm also going to install uvicorn to run the ASCII server. All right, so now that we have that, I'm going to create a new file. And I'm just going to name it test.py, and then what we're going to do is from fast API import fast API, and I'm not going to put any route or anything. It's just going to be app is equals to fast API. It's going to be just a simple demonstration, right? We save that, and now what we do is we run it. uvicorn test app reload, and now it's running over there on our local host. What we're going to do is check it out. All right, so we go to local host, not found because I didn't define any endpoints. But if you go to docs, that's why I love fast API. It gives documentation out of box. You do see it's running. We can kill the server, and now if we reload it, it's not there. That's it for today. Thank you.